Oh! That's not gonna work. That's better, I think. Okay. Hi guys, Toys and Daddy here. And today I'm going to be making some slime for the first time without Tiana being involved. And I think I'm going to be good at this, guys, because I've been filming Tiana make slime videos quite a lot recently, and I've been getting a lot of tips from watching Tiana make slime. So I'm sure mine's going to be awesome. We've got some glitter glues. You've seen them before, and I've got some extra glitter. And I've got some of these. I'm sure Tiana calls these jelly cubes. They're not even jelly. Why are they called jelly cubes? But I've got them anyway, because I've been to Tiana's slime science lab. And that's where all these have come from, guys. We've got the Terminator, which Tiana calls activator, but I like Terminator. So we've got some of that. Cool colours. I'm not sure which colour. Glitter glue, which one shall I use? Well, we've been doing a lot of pranks on Tiana's channel with green. So I might make some green slime. But first, I need to show you guys Tiana's science slime stroke lab over there. That's where all these ingredients have come from, guys. She's got, do you know what? Let's go over there, I'll show you. Look at this. All Tiana's slimes are here, what she's been making recently in containers, and all the glues, activators, side, and this is not right. What has happened to this? That is just the weirdest. That's got to go in the bin, Tiana. Oh no. So there you go. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. I've not even started the video yet and I'm covered in slime. So here we go. This is the slime lab of Tiana's, where I got all the ingredients from. That's Tiana's slime lab. Now I'm going to make my slime. Green, okay. I do know, I've seen Tiana do the 3 colour glue slime challenge, where you have to choose. I don't need to do that. I'm just going to go straight in with my colours. I'm not going to go, all this and all this messing around. I'm going green. That's right. So I'll push these out of the way. Right, here we go. Glue. Tiana's at school, obviously. Don't start telling Tiana about I've been making slime with slime ingredients, guys, in the comments. Like you always tell Tiana everything I do. This is Toys and Daddy. We got to have our little thing going off here. That's right. Yes. That slime over there smells. The slime I picked up over there, what? It's not even like slime anymore. What? Smells right. Okay. And by the way, it's so hot today. It is so hot today. I need someone with a fan just there while I'm doing the video, just fanning me down. Oh, it'd be amazing. Right, let's get another pot of green glue in. Get close up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, it's going everywhere. Okay, right. What else do I need to do now then? What does she do next? Let me think. Oh, I'm going to put some of these cubes in. What Tiana calls jelly cubes. Ooh, my slime's going to be better than Tiana's. Yeah. Jelly cubes are in. What else do I need, guys? Should I put some extra glitter in? Let's put some extra glitter in. Oh yeah, pink, 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 pink. I wonder if that looks good. I wonder if it would be great, pink and green. Well, there you go. Right, 2 glues, jelly cubes, glitter. Ooh, it's time for the Terminator. Oh, I forgot how much Tiana puts in. I forgot. I'm sure it's like... Is that enough? Okay. It's a bit run. Oh, this is the part what takes a strong person to do. That makes it. Oh. Come on, slime. Make slime. Make slime. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. That's looking good. What do you think, guys? Looking good. Mixing it up. Mixing it up. Looking good. Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Right, let's go again. More Terminator. Let's get it in. Oh yeah, plenty of Terminator. Okay, it's gone a bit lumpy. It looks like mushy peas. Look at it. Looks like mushy peas. Do I need to put it on the table and knead it? Oh dear. Come on. Oh, do you know what? I'm sure it's... Oh, come on, knead into slime. Do I need some more Terminator, do you think, guys? I think that's done. What do you think, guys, about slime? It's sticky. It feels kind of nice, and look, it don't leave anything on the hands. That's a good sign. Look, I think it's pretty good.
Oh dear.
Oh, I don't think it's coming off in bits. This mushy peas slime. Mushy peas slime. That's what I'm calling this slime. Where have I gone wrong, guys? I don't think it's turned out really good. Is it too much Terminator, or not enough Terminator, or the jelly cubes? I'm not sure. Should I just try and put a little bit more Terminator on it? See what happens. Okay, I've got a bit more Terminator on it. It's like a pancake now. Look at it. It's like a pancake. Ooh. Oh no, it's coming in pieces. One quick knead. Get it together again. Oh no. Oh no. I tried. Let me know in the comments down below, guys, if you think my slime was successful or a fail. I'm not quite sure. Did I not put enough Terminator in the slime, or just let me know in the comments where I went wrong. But I think it's still okay, because look, you can still stretch it to there and to there, but as far as you can go, look, it's not too bad. It's got a lot of stretchiness to it, and it's green, of course. So let me know how I did in the comments down below. I'll show it to Tiana when she comes home from school. She might take it to school and give it to one of her friends, because I can make slime. Toys and Daddy, out!
There we go. Is there any room for my slime? I'll just put it there.